So as right now for the next step, you're going to need a mesh tape. It can be bought from Home Depot, Lowe's, any supply store. I'm gonna use a 6-inch knife. Remember, just to fill up the gap between the new sheetrock with the old ceiling, okay? This is not to coat, not to second coat. This is just to fill up the gap with 20 minutes easy sand. On top of it will be a mesh tape, and let it set for at least 20 minutes. So that way you won't have any cracks or it won't look bumpy, you know, as we call, okay? So this is my mud box. I'm gonna grab the 20 minutes, fill up the gaps, hit one coat on the screws, do the little corners with a paper corner, not mesh tape. Please don't use mesh tape. It will crack, it won't last long. Use paper, okay? Do not use mesh tape, please, okay? Remember, you're only filling up the gaps. Now, mesh tape, okay, right between the old sheetrock with the new sheetrock. And give it one hit with the knife on top of it, just to set a little bit. Okay. Now the other side too. So now you let it sit for about, I'll say 25 minutes. So it will be hard, it will be nice. Then we're gonna apply the first coat of compound or 20 minutes, okay?